Hello guys, today I'm here with new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to install macOS Big Sur using internet recovery. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for latest updates. So guys, let's start. For this purpose you will require OpenCore bootloader, for downloading recovery file, OpenCore configurator, for mounting the EFI partitions, EFI preset according to your hardware, and one USB with minimum 1 GB. Also, Python is required for the purpose, and I'm assuming that Python is already installed. Now, open OpenCore bootloader folder, and navigate to following directory. Open terminal, and then type following, and drag Mac recovery folder, and press enter key. Now, open Mac recovery folder, and then open recovery URL as text document, and copy the URL as shown. After copying the URL, close TextEdit and paste the URL into terminal, and then with one space type download, and then press enter key. And now the recovery image is being downloaded. Recovery image has been downloaded successfully. Close terminal. Now, plug any USB with minimum 1 GB, and here you can see the USB appeared. Now, open disk utility, and erase the USB with following parameter. Click on Done and close disk utility, and utilities as well. Now copy DMG and chunklist file from following directory. Open the USB, and create a folder with following name. Now paste both files in the folder. Go back and copy EFI, and Clover configurator, and paste it to USB. And now, we're ready to install. Power on your PC and boot to BIOS. Load the BIOS defaults and exit the BIOS saving changes. Your PC will restart. Boot back to BIOS and change the following settings. Now exit BIOS saving changes. Plug recovery USB, and boot to boot menu. Select the USB followed by the UEFI prefix, and press enter to boot. And here, no drive is showing, as I have already formatted the SSD. Press enter to boot. Select your language and click on right arrow button. Select Disk Utility, and click on Continue. Click on View, and select Show All Devices. Now select your drive instead of any partitions, and erase the drive with following parameters. Click on Done and close Disk Utility. Now select Reinstall macOS Big Sur, and click on Continue. Now, clicking on Continue will prompt a box, saying an internet connection is required to install macOS. Click on OK, and connect to Ethernet, or Wi-Fi. You can also use USB router, if both the options are unavailable. After connecting to the internet, click on Continue, and proceed with the installer. Select Hackintosh HD and click on Continue. And now, macOS Big Sur is being installed. The speed of process depends on speed of your internet. And guys, during this process your PC will restart several times, so don't worry about that. And wow, we booted to Big Sur installer setup screen. Continue with the setup. Continue with keyboard setup. Now, copy OpenCore Configurator to your desktop. Open OpenCore Configurator and mount the EFI partition of your system drive. Close OpenCore Configurator, and copy the EFI from the USB, and paste it to the EFI partition of system drive. Now, eject the EFI partition and USB as well. Now restart your PC, uncheck the box and click on Restart. As of now, everything is done, so let's check that everything is working or not. audio and the audio hotkeys works perfectly. Wi-Fi is connected. Let's see other things. Bluetooth is also working. Internet is working. Let's check sleep wake. Sleep wake is also working. Now, let's check the hardware specification. So finally, we have full working macOS Big Sur installed on PC, using internet recovery, which is fully functional and working absolutely fine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and for more updates stay connected and have a great day.